good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You know, it's the weekend and we are out and about as usual. We're actually at the mall, a huge mall, about to do some shopping right now. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend.
Hey guys.
You just give it to you and take it back. Like I said, you guys, we're at the mall going to do a little bit of shopping today. I think this is here. This is where we're gonna enter just now.
Yeah.
Or we could have gone through. So we're at this mall. I think it's one of the biggest mall in Nice. And of course I want to go to the makeup store. That's my main mission for today. Are you looking at rings, babe? Wanna get married? You guys, babe been looking at rings a lot lately. You know, he never proposed to me. We never got proposed. I never got proposed to. What do you want? You want snack? You don't want a snack. Pull the chips and give him one. I actually never got proposed to. Comment down below if you guys want to hear a story time on why I didn't get proposed to and what happened. Right, babe, you never proposed to me. He's actually in Talabag.
You don't deserve a come on.
You really said that? You guys, so like I said, he didn't propose to me. So comment down below and tell me if you guys want to hear why he didn't propose, so we can do a story time on it. But we're actually at the mall and so much people staring at me, but you know I don't care, right? So yeah, we're going to do a little bit of shopping and hang around the mall a bit. So let's go. So cool. I think it's that camera now.
Maybe, yeah.
You're the noisiest one in the entire mall, my love. You guys, I went to NYX and I'm so excited. I got a bunch of lipsticks that I super love. I'll show you guys what I got later. So now we're actually just scrolling around the mall to see what else is here, because actually my main purpose was to go to NYX and that's done, so that's awesome. I was having too much fun just now. There he is behind me. We were just there watching him and a little kid just walked up to him, took away his passy, ran away and threw it away. You want me to carry you? Go, run to Papa, go to Papa. A little kid just walk up to him and take away his passy and run away and throw his passy away. I'm like, oh my God, the things that he'll go through when I'm not around, man, it's just crazy. It's just so crazy. But kids will be kids, and that's life, and we just have to handle these things as parents. Come, baby, come on, this way. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Run, 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 run. Okay, you guys, so we are taking you on a tour today. We are in Nice, of course, still, but we're at this historic spot. Babe, tell them the history, because I don't know what is this.
It's like archaeology Rome era Empire Stadium. So back in the time it was like here they used to make like horse race or fighting gladiator, like for the person who saw the movie Gladiator, that was like the same stadium but a baby one. So, same principle. So all of these was all around the stadium. So now you only have one more remain. So it's like 2000 years ago.
Can't go up. Too tight. Probably
From there, on the other side. Right?
Yes, you guys, it's so pretty here. So pretty. So let's go and see what this place is all about.
So I guess that upper stand, this is where the VIP going, and the grandstand is where the population going.
Oh, the grandstand would be down there?
No, grandstand is important, is where VIP going.
Yeah.
So I think the VIP going there, you still can see the wall.
Yes.
And how you call that, bleacher?
Yes. Come,
Bleacher is here. That looks small from here, but that looks huge when you're inside it. How are you going? You're going you got
Take
your
a picture of me up here, sitting on my throne.
So you're taking sand?
Tyler, climb in. Give him to me. Go to Papa. religious.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's like what I say, a monastery. I think this is it.
So this is like the church of the Chinese?
I think it's a monastery. Monastery for me sounds like Buddhist.
So it's a church of the Buddhist?
Yeah, but maybe I'm wrong.
Okay, well, this is a church of some kind of religion. I can't tell you exactly what religion it is, but let's see. Looks beautiful from outside though. You guys, there's also a wedding going on inside, so we can't film, and besides that, there is no camera allowed. So you guys, this is a different side of Nice, which is looking pretty quiet. Pretty quiet. Oh, babe said this is the rich side. Maybe that's why it's looking so quiet. It's looking pretty quiet. But it's beautiful. Pretty view.
Can't see from here, but behind
This place is so beautiful. It's so peaceful. As you guys can see, the beach is just right here, and there's a porch right here too, but you guys cannot see it. We just stopped for a snack break because we're hungry after lunch. Lunch didn't help at all, right babe?
Yeah, it was nice lunch, but it wasn't, you can't fool me. It was a little salad and tuna, and well, that was healthy lunch.
It was healthy, but you see, when you're on the road, it's hard to just have a salad and keep doing activities. If you're home, then it would be fine, but when you're on the road and doing activities and just have salad,
And the sun
it doesn't work, and the sun is draining you, and water alone just won't help. It won't work like that, none at all. We're here, just feed Tyler, and he's having a lollipop. You enjoying your lollipop? Thank you. Thank you, baby. It's actually a garden where we are right now seated. It's beautiful, as you guys can see behind me. So yeah, we're just gonna keep it moving and continue to take you guys along this tour. We're completely a tourist today, but that's what we do on the weekends. This is a real French garden. A real French garden this is. Cool. We took a detour to have dinner basically because I am hungry, and guess where we at? Pizza Hut! Because that's what I feel for, you guys. Pizza. Oh, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw in the Jamaican expression for today. And the Jamaican expression for today, seeing that I'm hungry, is going to be nyamins. Nyamins mean to eat. Nyam. If somebody say you nyam too much, mean you eat a lot. say the expression.
Nyamin.
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 Yes.
Nyamin.
Mean you eat a lot.
Yeah, you eat too much.
And what's the French expression? Give it off the Jamaican expression.
C'est bon.
C'est bon?
Yeah, c'est bon.
Go ahead and
C'est
explain.
bon mean it's good. So because she eat too much, but she eat some good food, so it's good. C'est bon.
Say it.
C'est bon. Say it. You say it.
C'est bon.
Yeah.
C'est bon.
C'est bon.
Alright, you guys, so there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression, and we're going to go ahead and dig into this pizza as soon as it arrives. We're actually waiting, and guess what? Tyler is sleeping.
Tyler will soon get up when he smells the food.
But as soon as that pizza arrives, I guarantee you that he'll be awake.
Tyler will wake up when he smells the food.
He's such a foodie. I'm sure he'll be awake.
Guys, this is cheesy bread, garlic bread with some mozzarella cheese on top of it. Let's see what is in the other box. Guys, this is Hawaiian chicken, but we're gonna show you this is some cheese crust. So it's gonna be yummy. He got awake by the food.
You want to go? Go.
Hi guys, it's been a long. Hi guys. Hi guys. It's been a long day, a long full day. Had some fun. That wasn't when we bring you. That wasn't really what we expected, but we're glad we went there. Yeah, we're really glad we went there. Because it's a part that we didn't knew at all, so we know what it looks like now.
It was good going to that side of Nice that we've never been to, and to to see that side. It was really an amazing day. It was really a long day. We had so much fun. We ended up going to the pool. We just got back from the pool, got all
We did
fresh.
things. We went to the mall at 1st, then we went in this place. We finished at the pizza place. We come back home. We went to the pool. That was a full day.
Oh yeah, it was a full long
full
eventful day. We had so much fun. Tyler had so much fun. He had so much fun just running around, and I asked him, how many things have you eaten all day? He ate non-stopping. He ate his dinner off completely. Clean, clean, clean. I was
Big boy.
surprised. The more he grows, is the more he eats. And I start making him porridge in the morning, and he eat up so much of his porridge. Man, he's just growing away. But we had a good time, you guys. And it's been a good day. It has really been a good day, and as you can see, we are tired and drained now, but it's all worth it. No, babe. It's all worth
I like
it.
when the day are like this.
Oh yeah, when the
And
days
when you
are like
stay
this.
home. When you stay home, you're tired the same.
Oh yeah, it probably
But-
even worse.
Yeah, because you want to sleep and sleep and sleep and yeah, but you at the end of the day now you're tired and you feel like okay, you work hard for something because the weekend come, you can't rest.
That's true.
I like
So
this kind of
hopefully you
day.
guys enjoyed today's event, today's adventure. And Tyler is off to bed because he's tired and it's past his bedtime. But since we went to the pool, we gave him a little time to digest his food, so he's off to bed now. And we're just coming to tell you guys thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. And oh, we have something to tell you guys. When you subscribe, there's a little bell just beside the subscription button. Make sure you click on that bell. That way whenever we upload, you get the notification right away. If you don't click on that bell, you might not get the notification that we upload, and you might see our video days after we upload. So make sure you click that bell, you guys. Catch up and keep up with us. It's going to be a long eventful summer. Every weekend we're going to give you awesome vlogs and even more adventures, and we're happy to take you guys along. So we love you guys. Catch up and keep up and enjoy this vlog, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.